Good morning. Welcome to the Wellsaw factory. Today we're going to review the basics of our model 1318 metal cutting bandsaw. This machine is made right here in Kalamazoo, Michigan, and this is a 13-inch by 18-inch capacity metal cutting bandsaw. We've got a 1-inch blade, 3 horsepower blade drive. When it's ordered in 3-phase, it would be 2 horsepower in single phase, and it is available in 110 volt. We've got spring-loaded carbide guides and a powered blade brush, which I'll show you right here. This is the blade drive for the brush. All the sheet metal is powder coated for durability. This saw comes standard with a 8-gallon recirculating flood coolant system, and you see the reservoir down here. The surface of the bed and the vise jaws are precision ground. We have a blade tensioning device that allows the operator to tighten the T-handle until it comes to an abrupt stop, and that will provide a calibrated tension. Now we're going to step around to the back side of the machine and I'll show you the controls. The saw head is raised by hand, and the weight of the saw head is controlled by the adjustable counterbalance spring. The feed rate control is controlled by this metering valve, and you see the hydraulic cylinder here. Here's the blade tensioning mechanism. The coolant on-off switch is right here. The coolant control manifold is independent for each blade guide. The vise jaw is quick acting, and the hand wheel tightens it up. Pretty conventional stuff. Now we're going to start the saw, and I'll show you the variable band speed is controlled with this knob, with the indicator here, and the stop button. And that about covers it.